بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
يسبح لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض له الملك وله الحمد وهو على كل شيء قدير.
Whatever is in the heavens and whatever is on the earth is exalting Allah. To Him belongs dominion, and to Him belongs all praise, and He is over all things competent.
هو الذي خلقكم فمنكم كافر ومنكم مؤمن والله بما تعملون بصير.
It is He who created you, and among you is the disbeliever, and among you is the believer. And Allah, of what you do, is seeing.
خلق السماوات والأرض بالحق وصوركم فأحسن صوركم وإليه المصير.
He created the heavens and earth in truth, and formed you and perfected your forms, and to Him is the final destination.
يعلم ما في السماوات والأرض ويعلم ما تسرون وما تعلنون والله عليم بذات الصدور.
He knows what is within the heavens and earth, and knows what you conceal and what you declare. And Allah is knowing of that within the breasts.
ألم يأتكم نبأ الذين كفروا من قبل فذاقوا وبال أمرهم ولهم عذاب أليم.
Has there not come to you the news of those who disbelieved before? So they tasted the bad consequence of their affair, and they will have a painful punishment.
ذلك بأنه كانت تأتيهم رسلهم بالبينات فقالوا أبشر يهدوننا فكفروا وتولوا واستغنى الله والله غني حميد.
That is because their messengers used to come to them with clear evidences. But they said, "Shall human beings guide us?" and disbelieved and turned away. And Allah dispensed with them. And Allah is free of need and praiseworthy.
زعم الذين كفروا أن لن يبعثوا قل بلى وربي لتبعثن ثم لتنبؤن بما عملتم وذلك على الله يسير.
Those who disbelieve have claimed that they will never be resurrected. Say, yes, by my Lord, you will surely be resurrected. Then you will surely be informed of what you did, and that for Allah is easy.
فآمنوا بالله ورسوله والنور الذي أنزلنا والله بما تعملون خبير.
So believe in Allah and His Messenger and the Quran which we have sent down, and Allah is acquainted with what you do.
يوم يجمعكم ليوم الجمع ذلك يوم التغابن ومن يؤمن بالله ويعمل صالحا يكفر عنه سيئاته ويدخله جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا ذلك الفوز العظيم.
The day He will assemble you for the day of assembly, that is the day of deprivation. And whoever believes in Allah and does righteousness, He will remove from him his misdeeds and admit him to gardens beneath which rivers flow. wherein they will abide forever. That is the great attainment.
والذين كفروا وكذبوا بآياتنا أولئك أصحاب النار خالدين فيها وبئس المصير.
But the ones who disbelieved and denied our verses, those are the companions of the fire, abiding eternally therein, and wretched is the destination.
ما أصاب من مصيبة إلا بإذن الله ومن يؤمن بالله يهد قلبه والله بكل شيء عليم.
No disaster strikes except by permission of Allah, and whoever believes in Allah, He will guide his heart. And Allah is knowing of all things.
وأطيعوا الله وأطيعوا الرسول فإن توليتم فإنما على رسولنا البلاغ المبين.
And obey Allah and obey the Messenger. But if you turn away, then upon our Messenger is only the duty of clear notification.
الله لا إله إلا هو وعلى الله فليتوكل المؤمنون.
Allah, there is no deity except Him, and upon Allah let the believers rely.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إن من أزواجكم وأولادكم عدوا لكم فاحذروهم وإن تعفوا وتصفحوا وتغفروا فإن الله غفور رحيم.
O you who have believed, indeed, among your wives and your children are enemies to you, so beware of them. But if you pardon and overlook and forgive, then indeed Allah is forgiving and merciful.
إنما أموالكم وأولادكم فتنة والله عنده أجر عظيم.
Your wealth and your children are but a trial, and Allah has with Him a great reward.
فاتقوا الله ما استطعتم واسمعوا وأطيعوا وأنفقوا خيرا لأنفسكم ومن يوق شح نفسه فأولئك هم المفلحون.
So fear Allah as much as you are able, and listen and obey and spend in the way of Allah. It is better for yourselves. And whoever is protected from the stinginess of his soul, it is those who will be the successful.
إن تقرضوا الله قرضا حسنا يضاعفه لكم ويغفر لكم والله شكور حليم.
If you loan Allah a goodly loan, He will multiply it for you and forgive you. And Allah is most appreciative and forbearing.
عالم الغيب والشهادة العزيز الحكيم.
Knower of the unseen and the witnessed, the exalted in might, the wise.